people feeling like the light has just come.
Hi, my name is Stuart Yo. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah, and this is my backyard. I've grown up exploring these mountains, camping, backpacking, fishing, and skiing. When you're in the wilderness, a variety of jobs can come up, but you need to be picky about your gear when every ounce counts. I realized I needed a lightweight tool that could do multiple tasks. I'd like to introduce the SPARtool. The SPARtool is a shovel, an axe, a machete, a saw, a hammer, a pick, a pry bar, and a bottle opener. SPARtool weighs less than 3 pounds and is constructed from spring-tempered 1075 carbon steel and shatterproof Zytel polymer. Its solid build has no hinge or other moving parts, making it lighter and more durable than the competition. Its sharpened edge cuts deep with every swing. Its handle and cutting surfaces are aligned to ensure a safe and effective stroke. The blade splits wood apart. The saw rips through just about anything. And of course, it digs like a champ. The SPARtool is perfectly balanced, making the reverse end just as useful. It hammers. It unhammers. The spike excels at demolition. The pry bar is tough and versatile. And it opens up your favorite beverage after all that work.
This is the Schrade SCX-5 Tactical Hatchet. The SCX-5 is sized as a light-duty, full Tang hatchet, perfect for emergency, survival, rescue, and tactical applications. The black powder-coated, quarter-inch thick SK5 high-carbon steel Tang provides exceptional strength, culminating in a 3.1-inch razor-sharp axe head. 6 steel bolts attach the glass-filled nylon fiber handle scales to the Tang. These are dimpled and contoured to help provide a solid grip. The handle's ergonomic shape and size allows you to grip the hatchet at different handle locations, depending on the cutting task. Grip the lower portion of the handle for power strokes. Go with a high grip when you need greater control. Move your grip above the handle for slicing, such as making wood curls for fire-starting material. Penetration power is afforded by the SCX-5's pointed spike, angled for maximum impact. The hatchet's versatility increases as the Tang extends through the handle to form an effective prying tool, complete with a nail pull notch. Holes in the Tang provide cording options, and the slot serves as a valve wrench in emergency situations. Carry the hatchet at your side in the protective nylon fiber belt sheath with quick access snaps, or lash it to gear. A lightweight hatchet with an overall length of under 13 inches designed with robust capability, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCX-5 Full Tang Tactical Hatchet.
Bushnell Outdoors, every product is evaluated by one simple standard: performance is everything. When it came to designing the new PowerSync portable power line, Bushnell worked tirelessly to build the hardest working line of portable solar devices on the market. When it comes to collecting solar energy, it all begins with surface area. The larger the panel, the more cells available to collect energy from the sun. You know, unfortunately, until now, that's left consumers with less than ideal options. Like the rigid, bulky solar panels that are tough to pack into the outdoors, or those miniature panels that just don't have the capture capacity. Thanks to the new PowerSync product from Bushnell Outdoors, that's all about to change. Using the thin film solar technology that's rollable or foldable, PowerSync gives consumers a portable, lightweight solar option that can be quickly and easily deployed. Unlike the crystalline style panels on the market today, PowerSync continues to collect solar energy even when full sunlight isn't available, making it the most versatile and efficient solar product on the market. And it gets even better. An integrated lithium-ion battery system allows the PowerSync device to be charged even before you depart for your next adventure.
This is the Schrade SCX4 Tomahawk, a versatile instrument useful in a range of applications including rescue, survival, tactical, and everyday outdoor adventures. The SCX4 Tomahawk delivers chopping, cutting, and penetration power in a lightweight package. The SCX4's axe head is cast from rugged 3CR13 stainless steel and is powder coated for increased durability. Chop, cut, and slice with a sharp 3.3-inch edge. Use a high grip on the handle shaft for controlled cutting. Slide your hand lower down the shaft for increased power. For maximum penetration, bring the hardened pointed spike into play. Low-density polyethylene is molded around the axe head's tang, creating a nearly indestructible handle. Over 3 feet, a 550 spec paracord is wrapped around the lower end of the handle, establishing a positive gripping surface well suited for aggressively delivering rigorous chopping and penetration blows. For even greater safety, tether the SCX4 to your wrist with the paracord. Protect the Tomahawk's blade by storing it in the black nylon belt sheath. The sheath's twin top snaps keep the hawk secure while providing quick and easy access. A 3-inch belt loop lets the SCX4 hang comfortably at your side or lash to gear, ready for the moment you need it. A lightweight Tomahawk weighing in at a mere 1 3/4 pounds, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCX4 Tomahawk.
Shadwell, designer of the SAS Tactical Survival Bow and owner of Survival Archery Systems. After 15 years as an automotive design engineer, I knew it would require all my engineering expertise and practical experience in the field. I started out with a concept that packed down to the all-critical 21 inches, was able to store takedown arrows inside the riser, and was truly ambidextrous. My engineering calculations proved that a thin-walled riser was actually stronger than a solid riser of reduced cross-sectional area. Next, I had to find a way to get a 21-inch bow to extend to 60 inches, which is a great non-stacking bow length. I achieved this by using over-center folding brackets that gave the bow an additional 4 inches. Now that I had a workable shape, I reduced the weight to the extreme using some very intense engineering analysis to ensure it was designed for what we call infinite life, which basically means the bow can theoretically last more than 500 million shots. To achieve the power I needed, I chose a deep flex composite fiber from the same company that does all the big names in the industry. When the first prototype came in and we took that first shot, we knew we had a winner in our hands. After 18 months of development, it was the exact product I'd hoped for. I never actually intended to sell it, but as an ex-Special Forces friend of mine said to me, people who know what they are doing are the type of people who are quickly going to realize just how valuable and well thought out this bow is. You need to put this on the market. And thus was born the SAS Tactical Survival Bow. With features like A 21-inch aerospace-grade aluminum riser that is treated to reduce glare and allow for excellent paint adhesion. A symmetrical grip with surprisingly ergonomic shape, allowing for the only truly ambidextrous survival bow on the market. Aerospace-grade folding brackets with an over-center action extend the bow to 60 inches, yet allow for super compactness. The bow actually fits in most day packs, yet will down large deer.
Life is full of exciting milestones, but even the ones you expect can happen before you're ready. InGear's auto safety tools prepare you and your loved ones in an auto emergency, giving you instant peace of mind. Auto Escape by InGear is the most advanced self-rescue tool of its kind. Its military-grade aluminum body is both waterproof and impact-resistant. Its powerful front LED projects 135 lumens on high and boasts a 28-hour SOS mode. Auto Escape allows you to quickly get out of dangerous situations. Its high carbon steel blade instantly slices through seatbelts, and 2 separate steel tips allow you to easily smash through glass. An included easy access mount keeps Auto Escape within quick reach, ready when and where you need it.